Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Harborview and we are going to give you an update on the construction of the new Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now Shoppers Fair has been upgrading their supermarkets around Jamaica. And Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. They are part of the Progressive Group. They recently upgraded their supermarket in the Haney Park and they actually renovated the entire plaza. I'm not sure if they own the plaza, but the same thing is happening out here in Harborview. Though they are renovating this structure. Actually, they demolished the old building that the supermarket was in and they are building this new two-story building. Massive building. If this is not the largest Shoppers Fair supermarket, it's going to be one of the largest. And the entire plaza is also being renovated. And the Harborview Plaza is one of the busiest plazas in Jamaica. It's located in Harborview, as the name implies, and Harborview has a massive residential community. Okay, so this plaza is being renovated. And there you can see the shops that are being renovated. Some actually look finished. So what they did was they decided to build a new supermarket out here, and that is the building we're looking at. And the plan was to have it opened by the end of 2025, but as you can see, they're close, but probably open in the first quarter of 2026. And Shoppers Fair is a larger supermarket chain in Jamaica, and they are part of the Progressive Grocers Group. And Harborview is one of the largest residential areas in Jamaica. And this plaza is actually the #1 plaza in Harborview. And you know you need three things for a successful plaza. One, a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, and Shoppers Fair has that covered. They actually have a smaller location open now in the plaza while this building is being built. The second thing you need is to build it in a populated area, and Harborview is one of the largest residential communities or neighborhoods in Jamaica. And the third thing you need is food stores. And this plaza has KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Tasty Patties, and other restaurants. So the food locations are covered. The food stores are actually on the other side of the plaza. You have the supermarket here, then you have shops to the right, and then on the other side of the shops is the food stores. Alright guys, well enjoy the tour. We'll keep you guys updated as to when this supermarket opens. Alright guys, have a good day.